Hello, everybody. This is Hani Ameri. Thank you for visiting my channel and watching my videos. And for someone who's watching my video for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working online from home since early 2015. Right now, I've did a lot of mistake. I struggle a lot, and then I quit two times actually. Then I came back after doing some change for what I have done already. First time, so because of nowadays there is a lot of people trying to join this online business and trying to work from home, which is a really good idea. I encourage all the people to start at least thinking them to take the actual steps to start working from online to secure their future to make their life much more easier. Uh, but please don't believe all the stories nowadays for people making millions in 1 or 2 3 weeks or months. It doesn't work like this. This business is like any other business. Need to work, need to invest your time, invest some money, and then to start find success and reap the fruits from that. Please check my disclaimer in the description box to understand what I'm doing here. So let's get started now. Okay, my friends. Now, I suppose that you have make your mind and you have your own decision to start this amazing journey. So, what to do next is to take action. That the action required in this stage is doing the research, the online research, reading books. There is a lot of free books on Amazon speaking about marketing or speaking in general information. Also, if you have a time and there is an event, business show, webinar, seminar, any other training, you can start to build your knowledge step by step. This kind of business needs time, but you don't quit. Keep learning, keep asking a question, keep gathering information just to build your knowledge. Maybe it depends on the skills you have, or the time you invest, and your mentality, your mindset, and how much are you feeling the urgency to start this business. Some people maybe a month, 2 months is okay. Maybe others because they have job, they have family commitment, they have uh, any other circumstance. So needs time. Okay, this is good. Growing organically is better, but don't quit. Keep learning. Even an hour a week, 2 hours a week is good to understand, to know something. Today on YouTube, this is uh, the same media. You have tons of free training, people giving training, tutorials, like what I'm doing now, giving advice verbally. There is a lot. Just keep going. Just don't stop doing the job. Mean like building your knowledge. You have already skills. Try to improve it. try to acquire more. I mean, computer skills is good. Some some online courses says this is for beginners, even people with the basic. At least you can do something even very easy on the computer, sending mails or receiving mail, things like this. This will be enough because they will guide you through the steps one by one, so you're gonna understand. But let's suppose that now you are not thinking to take the course, so there is a lot of free resources. You can go for it. Even as I spoke before, and I can tell you again now, reach me out, ask me a question, I will answer you. Maybe I will give you a call. I will do my best, like for example, to let you start your first step on this long way. I said long because yes, it is like for example an amazing business, but if you build it correctly, then by the time you'll enjoy it, you will reap the fruits and you will feel happy. You, your family, will secure your future. So now, keep checking, keep asking the question, keep going. I'm recommending some courses, but maybe it's not for you right now. But if you feel yourself ready for that, go for it. Take action, take steps, don't quit. And this, the technology, as everyone knows, if you like stop working on it, you maybe you'll forget something. I took 3 courses. Some of courses like I took it like uh, 2016. If when if I check my myself now, I forgot a lot of details, but it's I make benefit from the information that time. I build my knowledge. I keep building and accumulate my information so that now I'm feeling comfortable working online, doing any job. And nowadays, working online, especially in the affiliate marketing, the technology make it so easy to run, and not only so easy. Like it's like for example, it's amazing. You like feeling happy, you feeling comfortable. Like there is a lot of tools, facilities. There is tons of information, things like this. A lot of platforms, courses, companies offering now a lot of online assist to make it easy for people to come and join and promote or selling their products. So this is an advanced step. The thing is you yourself, you can improve whatever the situation you are now. Even you don't have too much skills, you can work for it now. There is a lot of free training here. Please go now. When you finish watching my video, go to watch other videos on any things that anything you find yourself is not have a lot of information or skills for that. By the time the course or even the people you're gonna watch their videos, their training, their advices, you will feel yourself happy, comfortable that there is a lot of information coming in to your work. This is a huge world. This is online space is really good, really interesting, and the lucky people who will be able to find their even very small share and keep growing from now. The technology is controlling our life also. Take action. Start your first step to work online, and then by the time you feel comfortable. I worked 2015, 2016. By 2017, I I made some money, and because I quit many times, but during the time I quit, I even didn't stop learning, attending shows, business shows, seminars, webinars, reading books, all the free tools you have now in your computer by your phone. Just not like, for example, spend all your time on social media. Give give yourself, give your future, give your entity. You are a human being. You will have a family, or already have a family. Give yourself some time to do to love to develop your skills. Also, like change your mindset. Try to change your mindset to, like, for example, to take action, to start work, even for very easy steps, and you will, by the time, you will grow. I have put some link in the description if you are interested to know more about the courses I already take, and or I'm promoting some other now. On the top of that, and before that, let's say, if you want to reach out, I will help you a lot. I will support you a lot. Don't worry about that. Not only me, 100,000 people are offering free services. Just make your first step and start. This is amazing journey. People study 15 years from the first year primary school till finishing the university to get the degree, then to apply for a job for a minimum wages. It's not that enough for people who want to live a good life and have a family and have everything to feel himself, herself, a human being. So go for it, my friend. I'm here to support you along your journey, whatever you want. Ask a question, not only me, others. Go ahead. This is really a great opportunity for people to make it to a lifestyle. Digital lifestyle nowadays will will be nowadays, and in the future will be much more, is the main issue in our life, the main interest. So invest sometimes first, and then save some money. Try to find good. I'm not saying that you need to find a mentor from this the beginning. This is an advanced stage, because now you need to understand the basics. Try to make all your skills together and work it out. If you have some weakness here or somewhere, you can work it out. There is a lot of resources, there is a lot of support. Not only me, hundreds of people offering that. Take action, go for it, and I'm here to help you. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for visiting my channel, for watching my video. Please check me out again, and I hope to see you very soon. Thank you.